My people, marriage matter no be easy matter o. Marriage matter e no dey small at all. Marriage matter e too deep o. And na im make say if person wan get married, if person wan marry now, e better make the person just stay jejely, stay calmly, stay quietly and think about it. Think about it again and again. Who to get married to, the type of person you get married to, the kind of marriage that you want. Think about the difficult times in marriage, the challenges that comes with marriage. Can you handle them? Because it's not a bed of roses. It's not always that sweet. Sometimes it is difficult. Sometimes it is very hard. Can you handle the challenges? Think about it very well before concluding that you will marry. Don't only think about the benefits, the things that you are going to benefit from it, and the things that you are going to enjoy there. The information reaching us now, the informate wey dey fly for internet now be say Regina Daniels don allegedly talk say she go back to her husband's house because of say the torture wey her brother dey go through as dem take arrest am. And una know person wey dem arrest, how the whole thing take dey be. Because person wey dem arrest, im go face some difficulty na. The torture that comes with the arrest. You don already know wetin her brother go dey pass through for where im dey. And the mother wey the husband dey talk say im go arrest too. My people, with all this pressure being mounted on her, my people, and the dragging wey don dey too much on her family, especially her mother, people are dragging her up and down because they believe that she's the cause of all this problem. They believe that if she no allow her daughter go marry an old man, a man that is old enough to be her grandfather, that all these issues would have not come up. All these problems would have not come up. And now it's her daughter Regina that is suffering it. It is her daughter Regina that is carrying the whole weight. And some people are like, why would Regina that will be suffering all of this, that Regina and her brother should be freed and the mother be arrested because she's the cause of this whole issue? But now Regina is thinking of going back. My people, don't you people think that Regina is fast in taking such decision? She should think about it again before going back there. She should think about the reasons why she left in the first place. She should think about it because it won't be good for her to go there now and start complaining again tomorrow. Whatever she accepts now, whatever she swallowed now, she will continue to endure. She will continue to take it because that's marriage for her. And Ned Nwoko should think of a better way of handling marital issues, not resolving it with violence or presenting it to the public. We will still bring you updates based on this matter. Bye for now.